one off-grid system and one on-grid system. Yes, I say. And this machine take away, so you can never take electricity from more than one place. And you can never send electricity to the other place. It's not possible. And here, the switch say it can only be there or it can. You see this switch? He must go over to this.
Yes. If
So
you
if you take away this switch here, then it's nothing here. You understand?
understand.
So
But it still have a power in here.
yeah. So here, and this goes together and goes to the central here. This central there. So but if this goes over now, this say this here, but when this goes over, so nothing here. Now is nothing here. So you can never have both inside same time. You understand what this is?
Yeah,
So-
just only one thing that can
Only
be-
one?
Only one.
So you can never take from car and send out something, or from PIA and send into the car. You have no connection here.
Can't even send to the boat. Just only one.
Yeah. You can only one,
Yeah.
and you can never send back.
So that's how the safety.
Yeah.
work.
The safety works like here. Is a wall.
This was safer than the Thai.
Yeah.
Taiwan. Because Taiwan is like they give their energy to boat, but your is just given
Yeah.
to.
And this is do you see here the switch?
Yeah.
Yeah. And when he switch, now take from PIA into the central. But when PIA cut off here, this goes automatically to the car. But then PIA is off. I can never, if PIA repair something here, say here, repair. Is something wrong here? I can never send electric to the repairman.
Oh yeah, because if one of them are broken, so you need to cut off the center. But yours is, if some of them are just broken, you can just change it
Yeah.
and give it to another one and just
Yeah,
cut
but
off.
here, if this is so,
Yeah.
this is cut off here.
So you charge the car and just fix it or repair the.
Yeah. When I use the car under the time they repair, when you see when I put on, repair is finished, then it goes back automatically.
Yeah, I see.
So I have always 220 volt there.
It's stable.
Yes.
It's stable and going to be 220 volts all the time.
Yeah. You saw when I put it off.
Yeah. It's only stable like 210 or 230 as I see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The whole time.
Yes, the whole time.
And my system is like this. I have two metrics. Here are PIA. I have one for the house and one for the car. This for the house, it goes, I have two. It goes here. This is this metric now. This central. And then I have from the same here, one goes to a central out in the garage. So, and here, this from the car is only to charge the car. You have a central sitting extra central out there, but that is only for car. So this,
Oh yeah, because car is need a lot of energy.
yeah,
to
yeah.
use.
This is an own system, have nothing to do with other. This is, and the solar cell will not have anything to do with this either. So I can quick charge the car, but I can take a loan sum from the solar cell. So from the car here, I have a, that is that.
Oh.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
That comes from the car. So I have two in. You see that the lamps there?
Yes.
I have two things in here, and that it changed. So I cut here, then I take there. If this is working, this is always number 1, and this is always number 2. So the priority is always number 1, and that is PR.
So that means you can store it a lot of energy for use for another pathway.
Yeah. So the solar cells here, now I must put up a new contact there, because the solar cells, they say this is not okay. I must have a connection like so. Here I will have a breaker, and this away, and a new one out there, only so, and a breaker. So the solar cells will be caught in here.
So this is the plan that you would use in the future, right?
Yeah, so solar cells, they check in on the panel out there in the garage. And then here, I don't know how they do it. I don't know that, because I cannot so much on solar cells. But solar cell here, they do it here, and then the electricity goes like this. But this is an on-grid system. That means if you take away electricity here, that you don't have any contact with PR, this will stop. That's a safety. Because if they not stop, I could send out a lot of energy for the worker who repairs somewhere, not so good. So here, when this will be broken, say now that it's stop here, and it will be broken, say that here from PR, it will be exactly the same. I am totally sure it is like this in the hospital. Here is the electric central.
So basically,
and here it comes from PR. I only do one now. I know it is 2, but I only do. You must have both plus and minus, but I do only 1. And here you have your main backup. 200. We say 220. It's more in the central, but we say that the backup power is also 220 volt. Here, here you have the backup power switch. So you understand here, it goes in exactly the same as me, but that you have in the hospital is much bigger. But the system is exactly the same. So when PIA is broken, here is always number 1, and here is always number 2. So this backup power here, it's a diesel. I don't know how to spell it in English, but diesel generator. This diesel generator start when this is broken here. That way, this start automatically and give. So, but this is on. You have some battery here. So under the time this got off and until this have started, you have a battery who give full speed on the electricity. So you have always 220 volts. This large charge a big battery. So when this cut off, the battery goes in automatically in the same second and start to give 220. So under the time this start up, you have the battery who give out. Because it's no good if it stops.
Yeah.
Then the people die if it stops, the
Yes.
machine. So that you can see, you see here, it took blink, but here it take, let's say that here it take 0.2 seconds.
Yeah, okay, yes. I see that you switch and their app like close it only like
Yeah,
a second.
but in the hospital, maybe.
Oh yeah, it need to be like immediately.
So
Yes.
and here, here in my home, at the hospital. So it's much.
Quite
You have,
different.
this. Do you know what all my things here cost? My investment to do this. Do you know what that was?
100,000.
No. For up all the electric extra there and out to the car cost 6,000 baht.
What? Well, it look quite a little bit cheap.
Yeah, it is. But what do you think this cost on the hospital?
Maybe like a
Million.
million.
Yeah. You see, this is small things that I have done for myself to put together. But in the hospital, it is professional. This is homework. But the function is exactly the same. But I can stand out with that it take 0.2 seconds instead of this.
But it's worth like
It works.
It can like save a lot of people.
Exactly the same.
Can save a lot of people if
You understand?
Yes, I understand.
It's
6,000 with the zero. I mean like
Yeah.
1 or 2 seconds for the.
and that
connecting
is with the cable and contacts out in the garage also.
It worth a lot. I mean like.
Yeah, but the thing is that if you are interested, I can send the project we do. We have it on paper on real skis with real electric.
Yes, please.
I can send it to you. And I have no idea how long time you can drive the battery, but I think about half an hour or something. And then when the diesel generator go, then it can go 2 days or 3 days as long as you have diesel.
Yeah.
So you have always at least 2 parts to come in to the hospital. And then you mean that you have a safe line out to this machine for heart, for example. You understand?
Yes,
This?
I understand.
Mm. And then you can see how my system is.
This one for big
Yeah.
one, but
And,
this one for-
and in my system here now, the car here is the diesel generator. And here, in the central here, and from out here you can say lamps or AC, lamps, lamp, AC, or what it is. But when this cut off here, automatically the car goes in. That's the principle is exactly the same. You see that?
Yes.
But this is a small scale. But it works for the house.
Yeah, maybe in the future I would like to equip this system for my house in the future.
Yeah.
Because I would pay less money for electricity and maybe it's good.
Yeah, and the solar cell here, they cost 164,000. This system I have, you can buy for about 100,000, but you have bad quality. It's yeah. You can have 2 batteries. One with
One with
yeah, you can do like this in a small, yeah. you can use two 9 volts, but they are easy. 9 volts battery are easy because you have two polars.
Yeah. That's it.
So if you have like this, one is little and one is big.
Negative and positive.
Yeah. And one here and one here. Then you go up to this two here. Then you have a switch here, main switch. Only a switch here. Off on. And you must have a switch. And then you have, say you have a lamp here. Lamp. Battery. Here, this switch, you should have here inside here. He always goes out here.
Oh.
So you can switch so or you can switch so. But you can never do it on the side.
Okay. So I understand. So if you like switch, the other one will work, but the other one will like not run. But if you switch another one, this other will work, but this will won't work. But it's quite like infinity. I mean like, the lamp will never close.
The lamp will always
open.
Yeah.
If it still have an energy.
And if you, yeah, exactly. The lamp must have energy, but it always have. But you can never take the both. You take one or you take this or this. If you take this as number 1 and this as number 2.
I understood your process now. It's same as this one.
Yeah, you can have so.
Yeah, like that.
Exactly. You can have it manual. You can do it very easy, but it works. And you have a 9-volt lamp here.
I see.
And because these are 9 volt. So.
Can link it a lot.
Yeah.
But it will open, but just in this dosing one.
So if this is open as number 1, you can take away this battery. It will work. And you put back this battery, switch, and put that away. It works.
It looks simple.
Yeah, but it worked.
Yes. I never thought that before. I thought like, in one time I thought like, if I use a lot of energy like connecting like this, the lamp would be like explode because it gives a lot of energy for me. But
Should I tell you something more you can do? But no, you must have an old lamp, no LED, old model of lamp. You know, with the if you have kvantfysik now, a lamp bulb, you must have this with this in here.
I used to be in the laboratory.
Yeah.
Of physics.
The lamp.
Yes.
And this lamp is new. Crashed. I don't know the English for kaput.
I didn't.
Then you have a microwave oven. To put this lamp in a glass of, you take a glass of water. Here. You must have water over the metal here. Over, so. Water here. Over the metal. Water. And this is a normal glass. The same here.
Let me guess. You're gonna put like the salt?
No,
not that one.
Glass. This is the same, and this inside here is water. Water.
Yes.
if you take this, it must be the old model. No lead. No lead is dangerous. The old model of lamp with this spiral inside. If you have a new one and you put that in a microwave oven there, and then you with the glass, you put it in the glass. What happens?
Pardon, again, please.
This you put in the microwave oven.
It will heat.
What happened here?
It will like have a light.
The lamp
with
will
the
turn.
heat.
Because this is quantum physics. The lamp will, the same as here, it will go on. Because the microwave gives so much energy to this. So the lamp will turn.
If I see the quantum physics, that is like use the metal and just.
But here it flash up, the lamp. Now, this works with the new. What happened with the old? If we do the same now, but this is broken, what happened?
Not heat.
It
It
have-
won't light.
It lights so fine. Because it's this here is lighting. This is lighting. You send the energy to this little wolfram. And this, if the wolfram is here between or is hanging.
It still work?
Yeah, I have done this many times for physics as a physics teacher.
Wow, quite impressive.
I set it on 900 watts, but only 30 seconds or something, because the water will be so hot. The lamp will. I always do this first in the classroom for the pupil. Oh wow! And then I come with the lamp. Really, I can show them it's really kaput, and they can see this kaput. What happened now? Happened exactly the same.
That means it doesn't matter if it's new or broken.
No.
It still works if it have a metal.
Because as long as you have this is the important. This.
So this one is gain the energy from microwave.
And this is the same here. And this is the important. The rest is shit. But this wolfram here, if the wolfram is hanging between here or is hanging down, nothing. This is electric also.
Oh. That's
I give.
I see. It's because of
ระดับเนี่ย He rolled up. Didn't he do that?
it's because of there's
The wheel, huh?
like it's like it's about the shape also.
Yes.
It's about the shape of
Yes, you see it. What is the truth? He fall down because when he goes out here, if you look here on the side, if you take down the head and see, you see how he fall.
Yeah.
So if you look like this, you see how he fall.
Yes, but it just like the same height as it.
Yeah. But in the real, he fall.
มันเป็นเพราะรูปร่างฟ้าไอตัวเนี้ยมันไม่ได้เป็นเพราะไออะไรหรอกมันเป็นเพราะรูปร่างทำให้ตัวนี้มันไหลลงมา
But he goes up, but he fall down. It's interesting.
Physics like magic.
Yeah.
Then magnetic.
No, there's no magnetic. It's all your fist.
แม่หนูชอบอันนี้กับอันนี้อ่ะ เนี่ย
Oh, it's only about the force.
Yeah, it only forces.
I thought it was feel the magnetic.
No magnetic. No magnetic.
ไม่มีอะไรนี่
มันไม่หยุดเลยนะสต็อปลงสต็อปเลย
That is perfect working. No.
It won't stop if we didn't touch it, right?
No short trick. I only take it short.
Wow. This
see
one
it?
I only see before.
มันจินตนา
พวกของแม่เหล็ก ถ้าเกิดเป็นแม่เหล็กขั้วตรงข้าม มันจะทำการติดกัน มันจะติดกันแบบนี้เลยอัตโนมัติ แต่พอมันเป็นขั้วเดียวกันปุ๊บ มันจะเกิดการลอย
let me.
มันจะเกิดการลอยเกิดขึ้น
Oh. This can get away. You need holograph, this mirror base and rolling edge. And the holograph will be this. You see it?
Wait, oh, I see it. I see.
Huh?
อะไรอ่ะขอดูมั่ง
You have here you have the physical information.
It's about the age.
Yeah. It's about the angel also.
มีไม้อยู่นี่
The angel, right? Yeah.
ดูละ
มีไม้อยู่
มันมีแรงแล้วจากนั้นก็ผสมกับมุมด้วยอะทำให้มันหมุนอย่างนี้
No, Ling. No.
อ๋อเก็ตแล้ว
How to apply for the physics that one? I don't understand.
It's with holography.
It creates like the 3D.
Yeah. Exactly.
It show how the 3D work.
Yes.
สามมิติ
เป็นตัวโชว์ภาพ
Up here. Huh?
อยู่ที่การออกแบบนะ
because of shape and it's having a scene height.
Because it goes out here, so it falls.
อืม
It's heavy in the middle.
Yeah. But here you see this.
The,
This angle is the important.
มันก็จะ
คือการออกแบบ
wait.
มีการอะไร engineer design ใช่ไหมใช้คำว่า engineer design